Today we're going to be making sensory bottles.
We have glitter.
We have all sorts of glitter. What else do we have, bud?
We have beads.
We got all types of beads. And Maddie?
We also have sequins and decor.
And we're going to be making these sensory bottles. Here's an example. Oh! Doinky de doink. Okay, hold it up to the camera so they can see. Okay, maybe you can see that, maybe you can't. We'll give you a better example later, but this is an example of a bottle that I made with my class at school. Now we're going to be making them here at home so that you can make them along with us if you feel like it. So we have all these options to put inside. These are our bottles. We're each going to take a bottle. We're going to clean the label off, or take the label off, clean the bottle out, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put a special mixture inside. So we have some, wait for it, Elmer's glue, clear Elmer's glue. It doesn't look clear in this bottle, but trust me, it's clear. That's what we're going to be using today, and maybe one person will choose to use this option. Or maybe I can make a separate bottle to show you what this looks like. This is baby oil, and so baby oil works similarly to the glue, except for it's a little more liquidy. Okay, it's not quite as thick. Like this has quite a bit of glue in it. So the glitter and things inside move around kind of slow, which is really what we want. So we may not use this, but this is an option if you don't have glue, but glue is definitely the first choice, okay? So, and what's special about today's video, guys?
It's the 200th video.
The 200th video, that's right. So we are super excited to get this one out there. And we thought a really good way to do that would be with some sensory bottles. These are really supposed to calm you down when you're having moments of stress moments. You just need a minute. The idea is that you look at the things floating around in the bottle.
Yeah.
Calms you down.
Dad, but what if you don't find it?
What if you don't find what?
This. Sensory bottle, it's lost.
Oh, we'll try not to lose them, okay?
Okay.
All right.
We can keep them in our rooms.
That's right. We'll keep them in our rooms for those times we need to look at them. And then you might notice on the lid there's some bumps around. And if you can't see that quite close enough, it's because it's glued shut with hot glue. The reason why we glue it shut with hot glue is A, to help it from leaking, okay? Because hopefully these will be used for a really long time. And B, we don't want anyone mistaking this for just like, once everything settles, if you haven't used it for a while, it just kind of looks like
Could look like water.
Like an old bottle of water or something. We don't want anyone drinking it, for one thing. And we don't want anyone throwing it away. So if somebody went to throw it away, empty it out and throw it away, they'd be like, oh, that's right, it's a sensory bottle. So those are the reasons why we do that. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah!
All right, first order of business, cut these labels off and wash the bottles out. Okay? Let's go! All right, guys, the next thing you have to do is fill your bottle halfway with water. Can you do that? Halfway with water.
Like
all right, halfway with warm water. Not lukewarm either, like warm, like almost hot. Okay, it's gonna help the glue and the water meld seamlessly together, okay? Yeah, originally I was told 3/4 of the way with water, 1/4 with glue, but that doesn't hold everything in like suspension for as long as I think it needs to be. So we're going half and half. Ready? Go. Yeah, we're gonna go for just a little bit more than half here, okay? Just a little bit more than half. We can always dump a little out.
Like almost hot.
Okay, I think that's gonna be pretty good. Okay? Good. Everybody satisfied?
Yeah.
All right, dry them off, head back to the table. Okay, guys, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add the glue. I'm gonna add glue for you guys, and then you're gonna start adding beads, glitter, sequins, whatever you want in there. My suggestion to you would be to go slow and keep checking, because if you add too much glitter, your bottle gets dark and it's not as, in my opinion, as interesting.
Yeah.
Like this one here as our demonstration. Okay.
not too bad. It's like perfect.
Yeah, it's got a good blend of different colors of glitter, and obviously the bigger the object, the faster it falls, and the glitter falls the slowest. So we can show that a little bit more toward the end. Are you guys ready for glue?
Yeah.
And then glitter?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so wouldn't recommend using a paper funnel. If you have an actual funnel, probably be way better. We have one somewhere. We're not lazy. We're just saving time. I'm trying to save time. Oh, that's going down much better.
Where's my cap?
Oh, this is your cap. No wonder why it wouldn't work on the Elmer's glue. Yeah, you gotta have the right cap. Okay, so just make sure everything's in frame, guys.
Yep.
And go for it.
Okay. Start going? Okay.
Yep. Super cool.
Yeah.
I think it's really fun to try to find the googly eyes. They're there, right there, guys. Right there, right there.
Oh, I see it. That's cool.
All right, everybody give them a good shake. And then turn them upside down. Show them off. So these bottles came out really cool. This one was one I had made in class. Odin put all sorts of cool things in there. What's your favorite thing you put in?
The googly eyes.
He put googly eyeballs in, and it's so fun to try to find them. It's so fun to try to find them. There's only a handful of them in there. And so, oh, there's some right there.
Oh, I found
It can do a really good job of getting your mind off of something that you're stressed about, just searching for the googly eyes. Same thing with these guys. What's your favorite thing that you put in there, Landon?
Probably the glitter.
Which color?
Probably the light blue.
So Landon's bottle has like a light blue / greenish theme. And he put in some silver to make it sparkle. And right now you're noticing that it's a little bit like whitish. That will all change when this water gets to room temperature.
Just gotta let it sit.
Yeah, it's just gotta sit. It's gonna be like this one. Now this one sort of it's sat for weeks actually. So it has sort of a rosy color to the water once it's all settled, but that's just due to what's in it. So everybody's will take its own shape. And Maddie, what's your favorite thing you put in?
My favorite thing, this is kind of like all of it, but like I just like the color combination that I made.
Yeah, the color combinations with the pinks and the purples and the greens and teals or whatever.
Yeah.
I think they all came out super awesome. So we'll each take a second to yeah, I'm gonna glue these, okay? I'm gonna glue these so that the caps don't come off at all. And then once the glue dries, we're gonna each take a second to hold them up in front of the light, and I'll record each one of us getting a nice shot in front of the light. So hopefully you enjoyed making these sensory bottles with us, and you guys had a great time, right?
Yeah, this is really fun.
We're gonna keep them in our rooms and just use them when we need to.
Yeah.
Cool.
Great for the 200th video.
Yes, great thing to do for our 200th. Can you believe we made it to 200?
That's
We did it! So until we see you next time, bye!